Hi, this is Karen with WTI, and this is the Breville milk coffee frother. This versatile machine has become an indispensable part of my daily routine, allowing me to create both cold and hot drinks with ease. By pouring cold milk into the jug, I instantly get a creamy, frothy delight. I add sometimes in the morning this instant coffee. I know it's instant, it's a sin, but it really works for me in the morning. Sometimes I'm in a rush. By choosing the desired temperature, it will work its magic and automatically will turn off. So you don't have to worry about spills. And you can see it's so smooth, so creamy, so fluffy. I love it. It will heat it to the perfect temperature, creating a comforting warmth that pairs perfectly with my favorite coffee or hot chocolate with that velvety foam that we all look for. And all of this in the comfort of my kitchen. And I love the fact that it's so easy to clean. It doesn't leave behind any type of burnt milk. And that's our point of view.